RiseAbsorb is redefining what growers expect from phosphate fertilizer. Backed by data and built for performance, RiseAbsorb helps reduce phosphorus losses, improve uptake, and boost ROI without increasing input costs. Join the next wave of growers switching to the next generation of phosphorus fertilizers by visiting phospholutions.com.
I'm Amber Bell, and this is Real Agriculture here today at Ag in Motion in Saskatchewan, and getting the chance to catch up with Kent Woods of AGI. Kent, you're the Director of Global Product Management for Portable Handling. Welcome, it's great to see you.
Yeah, thanks for having us. It's a great opportunity to talk with you guys today.
Right, and we're talking about your new auger, the AGI STX3 1341. Tell me about this unit.
Well, this unit's a new introduction for us here this year, so it's a 13-inch built off of our original STX2 model. The one thing we like to highlight or look at definitely is it's a diesel-powered unit, right? So we moved away from the gas, listening to where our farmers and our customers wanted, and went to a diesel unit. The biggest thing to highlight is that it's the first of its kind, direct drive, PTO-driven auger. So it allows us to, use the diesel torque value of the curve to produce more capacity through it and to be efficient on what we need to be to satisfy our market needs.
So the torque value is one of the benefits to having the diesel engine, but what other benefits come with that?
It's the longevity, right? It's the fuel efficiency. It's a lot more fuel efficient than what we would have on our gas unit. The benefit is on your farmyard, you used to only have one type of fuel that you can go to. Everybody's got diesel tanks they can use up, fill up from this part. So definitely an added benefit that way too.
And tell me a little bit more about the engine itself. What are we looking at for horsepower?
We're looking at a 54 horsepower Kohler engine. Worked with Kohler to make sure this unit works and solidifies for what our needs are. Have done extensive testing on it to make sure it hits the temperature requirements that we have in our Canadian market, our Canadian needs, as well as the hot summer days. So all through all the different seasons that we see in Canada for sure.
And what's new with the hopper?
The hoppers are new low profile where we went off, updated 3 flightings in the bottom, allows us to supercharge our capacity to increase that capacity of what we've seen before. Our sprockets are now on a lockdown system, so easy to assemble, easy for use. Just the added benefits that you would see from a traditional Westfield AGI auger now into this one. So.
Great, and where can growers go for more information?
They definitely go to our website, aggrowth.com, and then reach out to your local dealer for sure.
Terrific. Well, thank you so much for your time. And that was Kent Woods on Real Agriculture.